good news for everyone. So you can find this in canada.ca. 2025, ang new minimum wage ay $17.75. So last year, $17.30 ang minimum wage. Mandated for more so with the federal regulated industries.
Good morning! Another day from Alba Fam Bam! Let's start our vlog with my Kuya Davan saying
Hello, Alba Famba!
ay, nahatid na namin si Lianica ulit. So it's just me and Kuya Davan. Are you excited to go to school, my love?
Yeah.
Opo? You say opo?
Opo.
Opo, okay. You say bye-bye na to Alba Fam Bam. Bye-bye, Alba Fam Bam. See you later.
Bye-bye,
Alba Fam Bam, I need to go to school.
I need to go to school.
See you later.
See you later.
Okay, lakad na tayo.
Please school too. Free.
Excited ko mag-school today. Kasi syempre, sabi niya, okay daddy, I need to go to school every day so that it's gonna be Friday.
Daddy!
So, lagi daw siya excited kasi para mag-Friday na daw.
Daddy!
Okay, opo.
Today we're learning flowers in my...
Learning flowers on what? Oh, yeah. Come on.
You know I don't want that learning flowers.
Okay.
These are the ones that I see.
Kuya, they can see you in the DJI.
Yo, DJI! Yo, GoPro! Yo, DJI, GoPro!
Ito yung nilalakaran namin. Papunta sa school ni Kuya Davan.
See the shadow?
Okay. Hatid na natin si Kuya Davan. So for daddy to start my day, since late ang meeting ko, mga around 10 pa ang meeting ko, pupunta muna tayo ng McDonald's to have some coffee. Kasi parang naglolo ko yung coffee maker namin. So again, ang preference ko ay yung parang drip coffee instead of yung parang may bala. Kasi ang mahal nung may bala eh. So yung drip coffee or the standard coffee maker rather is yung isang McDonald's ko na malaking tub. Parang 1 to 2 months ko na siya. So sulit siya. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa McDonald's. Let's go. Sakto. And kuha lang tayo ng kape. Done. Here you go. Mac Cafe. Let's go. McDonald's, baka naman. Okay, so dito lang muna tayo para naman maiba yung scenery. So, eto pala, parang ano siya, parang shopping place na malapit lang sa bahay. It's like 10 minutes pag nilakad, 2 minutes pag dinrive, and malapit lang din sa school ni na Davan. So, as you can see, there. So, parang iba-ibang shops yan. May Edo Japan doon, Sky Medical dito, mga clinics, and then restaurants, and then ice cream shop. So, okay na okay. Okay, so coffee lang tayo, and then uwi na din. Kasi magsa-start na din ang ating araw sa office. See you later, fam! And there you go, fam. So let's go. Si Donna na lang daw ang magda-drive ulit. So lakad lang tayo. Whew. Medyo malamig. It's minus 2 degrees. And sunny at the same time. So ang galing na tong Calgary na to. Malamig na malamig pero sunny. So, ibang-iba siya sa Vancouver. Kasi although hindi siya malamig masyado, well, depende. Pero lagi talagang maulan doon. So, based on my experience, parang 70% siguro of the time ay umuulan talaga. And walang pili. Either summer, spring, fall, winter. Basta umuulan talaga lagi. So, parang naalala ko nga, ang isang requirement ng mga kids doon ay meron silang muddy buddy. Kasi nga umuulan. Required dito sa Canada, lalo na pag mga kids na kailangan nilang lumabas. Parang meron silang outdoor playground. So, susuot sila ng mga muddy buddy nila and then maglalaro. So instead na madudumihan yung mga damit nila, at least dun lang sa muddy buddy. Ang galing, ang galing. We were also surprised na ganun yung education dito sa Canada. Ang galing talaga. So ayun, walking lang. And yan lang naman ang pupuntahan ko. If you could see that brown building, that's Davon School. So, super walking distance lang talaga siya. Yeah, bago tayo dumating sa school ni Davon, pakita ko sa inyo yung mga detached houses dito. So, ang range so far dito ng mga detached houses is around 700 pataas. Wala pa akong naririnig pala na parang around 700 lang. So it's usually high 700. Close to 800 na. Then there's another one na parang gusto naming tingnan na open house actually is 850. Pero legal basement na siya. Galing, no? Ganda ng community din. And in action. Tingnan natin. Ganito din naman sa Pilipinas. Sa Davao, which where I grew up, nung bata pa lang ako, parang ganito na eh. Automatic na eh. So hindi ko alam kung sa Manila ba ganito. Pero yeah, sanay na sanay kami. Ganito yung mga nakikita namin. Galing. So that's Canada. And nandito na tayo sa school actually ni Kuya. Ayan Kuya, let's go! Dito na si Kuya Davon. Punta na kami kay Mommy. Lakad lang. Ayun si Mommy with the Odyssey. Careful, careful. Walk ikaw dahan-dahan. Siyempre takbuhan talaga. Yun naman yung normal. Ayan si Kuya oh. Ala, sige. Ay nako, si Kuya Davon ko. Ang aking Davon Leonard. Let's go Kuya Davon. Bye. Si Skyler ba? Yeah, si Skyler. Bye bye. Okay, let's go Kuya. Let's go Kuya, pasok ka na. And hi Mommy. Ayan si Mommy. Yan na, kagaling lang ng office. Okay, so pasok na tayo fam. And hatid na natin si Kuya Davon. Hey fam, quick break tayo. And I think nakapagluto na din ng lunch si Mommy. So let's check it out kung ano ang pinrepare ni Mommy. Oh, sinigang pala kami. Lunchtime sinigang. Favorite na naman ni Lian. Actually si Lianica, sobrang gustong gusto niyang kumain ng gulay. Basta mga greens actually, siya yung umuubos. So, para fresh yung kain niya ng greens mamaya, nagtitira si Mommy. So pag uwi nila mamaya, saka namin siya ilalagay dun sa sinigang. And pakita ko nga lang to. Yan lang yung mga collection actually namin ni Donna. Mga Starbucks mugs. So, halos lahat ng mga Starbucks mugs namin ay nasa Laguna. Kasi nung pumunta kami ng Canada, kailangan namin siyang ipadala ng Laguna kasi hindi naman namin madadala dito dahil sa sobrang daming gamit na namin. And we actually have more, like mga 50 mugs na siguro ang meron kami. Funny thing is, for example, in Italy, parang wala masyadong Starbucks or hindi sikat yung Starbucks. Parang imposible hindi sikat eh. Pero siguro mas tinatangkilik nila yung local coffee scene nila. So, may mga cities na wala kaming makita na Starbucks store. So, bumibili kami nung local na lang na mug. Para may souvenir pa rin kami dun sa place na yun. Ayan, so kakababa ko lang. Galing sa pag-check ng ulam. So medyo gloomy today. Baka umulan pa. Pero temperature check, it's 10 degrees. So hindi na magsusnow yan. Pero feeling ko uulan eh. Okay, back to work lang tayo. So as you can see, ayan ang workplace ni Daddy. So, tinitingnan ko yung mga YouTube. Those are my project management stuff. Yeah. Hey fam, let's go! And sundo time na. Ito lang natin ang garahe. Naka-ready na si Mommy. Kasi naka-full. Mainit kasi naka-full akong jacket eh. Okay, susundo lang tayo ng mga kids.
Yippee.
Nandito na ang mga kiddos.
Let's go! Let's go!
Nag-rain ba? Hindi ah. Oh. Yeah. Now it's gonna be raining or drizzling because
What
it's
means
not too
drizzling?
cold.
Mommy,
Drizzle is a little bit of rain.
drizzle?
Drizzle.
Wait, maybe it's gonna be sunny while raining. Maybe.
Could be.
It's not good.
Okay, pauwi na kami.
This whole town might be in fire. That's why.
Yup. Correct ka kuya. Tama ka po.
Yeah.
Sinong excited na umuwi?
Me,
You. Who's excited to go to Philippines?
me.
Who's excited to go to Australia? Into his nose then.
He become longer.
It become longer.
Your nose become longer, right?
And then if you tell the truth, what will happen to your nose?
It will be, your nose will get shorter.
Yeah, your
Like
nose will
on your
get
size, your
shorter.
nose is gonna be your size.
Yeah,
Okay,
that's right.
Very good.
So you cannot?
I'm not even lying.
Yeah.
But Daddy hates liars. I know that.
Me too. I hate liars.
Oh yeah. Mommy.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Last time we didn't kiss Daddy.
Nagsumbong kasi talaga siya eh. Tingnan mo natandaan ng mga
it's
anak mo.
Mommy. Last night
Loko-loko
too.
ka.
Mommy did not kiss Daddy. Yeah, Mommy still needs to kiss Daddy, di ba,
Because
Lian?
Daddy is her wife.
Husband.
Husband.
Who say hi, Kuya?
Let's go to the dining. And kumakain na ng sinigang ang aking daughter. Sus, ang sarap naman humigop ng soup ng
Yummy.
Lianik ako. What's that? What's that again? Ma?
Sinigang.
Yeah, what is this?
Ma?
Oh, what are you eating?
Soup.
Si?
Sinigang.
Sinigang. And then, is it masarap, Ma?
Ma?
Huh? You say it.
What?
Again.
Masarap.
Masarap. How about for Kuya?
Ang sarap.
Ang sarap. Ang galing. Okay, fam. So let's eat. Let's have dinner. And hope you're having a good day so far.
Hello fam, and that's about it. Yun na ang araw ng Alba Fam Bam. So it's our usual routine of ako, hatid ko yung mga kids, dadating si Donna while I'm working the whole day, lunchtime, and then sundo ng kids, laro sila dito, prep ni Donna, and nasa taas na sila, natutulog actually. So bago natin tapusin ang araw, may nabasa akong good news for everyone. So you can find this in Canada.ca. It's actually Canada implementing a new minimum wage. So very good news to sa ating lahat, not just for our kababayans there, but for everyone that's here in Canada. So there were actually 4 confirmed provinces na mag-i-implement nito. Apparently, Alberta hindi pa nagko-confirm, but I think they would also increase the minimum wage following the federal or the other provinces' action of increasing their new minimum wage. And, so tuwing kailan ba to nangyayari? So there is always a review every year actually on April 1st. So nangyari din to on last year, April 1st, at nag-increase din sila ng minimum wage. Bakit sila nag-increase ng minimum wage? As everyone know, nagmamahalan ng mga goods. This is based on the Consumer Price Index, which is just basically, kumukuha sila ng mga goods, tinapay, rice, ulam, even tobacco products, pinuput nila into basket, and tinitingnan nila kung ano yung price increase ng mga goods na to comparing from the last year. So, they've determined that for 2025, ang new minimum wage ay $17.75. So, last year, $17.30 ang minimum wage. So, again, this year, $17.75. So it's actually a boost of 45 cents per hour per hour. And it's actually mandated for more so with the federal regulated industries such as banking, postal and courier services, and interprovincial transportation. So yung rails, yung roads, yung maritimes. So if dun kayo nag-work and you're in the minimum wage bracket, mag-i-increase din siya. So that's very good news. At least so far, ito ang good news na nabasa ko. Hindi lang lagi bad news about the immigration status. So what are the provinces that will be implementing this? Number 1, more on Atlantic provinces agad-agad ang mag-i-implement. So number 1, Nova Scotia. So from 1530 to 1565. So more or less, meron talaga siyang increase of 35 cents. And the Newfoundland and Labrador, it's from $15.60 to $16. So aligning siya dun sa 40 cents na increase per hour. Number 3 is New Brunswick, which will have a new rate of $15.65 per hour from $15.30. That's an increase of 35 cents. Yukon naman will have their new rate from $17.59 to $17.94. So that's another 35-cent increase per hour. So ang galing kasi nagme-maintain talaga or nagre-review talaga ang Canada every year kung ano yung impact ng inflation and tinatry talaga nilang i-increase yung minimum wage. Of course, para maging fair to everyone. But syempre, meron pa rin tayong tanong, enough ba yung increase ng minimum wage? Which I think ang mga tao or tayo ang pwedeng sumagot dyan. But then again, at least may increase on a general level, on a federal level. So, review ulit natin the provincial territories that will be having their increases of minimum wage. Start muna tayo. Canada, federal regulated sector, it's 1730 to 1775. Yukon, which has one of the highest minimum wage actually. So 1759 to 1794. So $17.94. Next is Newfoundland and Labrador, $15.60. Mag-i-increase sila to $16 effective April 1st. Nova Scotia, $15.20. So mag-i-increase to $15.65 and effective din sila April 1st. Prince Edward Island, $16 currently, but it is to be determined pa. Hindi pa nagde-decide ang Prince Edward Island. New Brunswick, $15.30 to $15.65 effective April 1st. Nunavut, pinakamataas na minimum wage, $19 currently, pero to be determined pa ang for this year nila. Pero I think there should be a good chance na i-increase din nila. Kasi more or less nag-align sila or nagpa-pattern sila on the federal level. British Columbia is next, and in my opinion has the highest cost of living, and surprisingly, currently they stand at $17.40, and magi-increase sila ng 45 cents. So that's $17.85, although it's effective June 1st, 2025. Ontario, of course, which has the second highest cost of living, and their current minimum wage is $17.20 and expected to increase to $17.70 effective October pa. So more or less ilang buwan pa. Pero syempre yung last na increase naman nila is last October lang. So I think it's fair. Northwest Territories stands right now at $16.05. This is to be determined. The next states or provinces are to be determined. Manitoba, Quebec, and Alberta, which we're from, it's $15. But yeah, it's still to be determined. Wala pa. And the last one is Saskatchewan, which also stands at $15 for their minimum wage and still to be determined pa ang increase for this year. Okay, so very good news to everyone. Do you agree? Well, you agree or disagree, at least my increase. The question now is, enough ba yung increase? It's for us to determine. This is what the federal government has mandated, lalo na dun sa mga regulated industries. For example, mas mataas ang minimum wage ng province na yon compared to the suggested increase of the federal government. Ang mananalo or ang susundin ay yung sa province na minimum wage na mas mataas. Okay? So that's about it. I'm just sharing the good news para sa ating lahat. And catch us on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to follow our Facebook page, Alba Fambam. It's the same handle, Alba Fambam. So right, see you on the next video and have a good day. Maayong adlaw, maayong gabi sa inyong tanan dira sa Pilipinas. Salamat og magpalambo ta, yakap and pagmamahal mga kaibigan. Hang loose!